Hey guys, so today we're going to be reviewing Vajiram and Ravi IAS Academy, which is in Delhi. And for doing so, we're going to be visiting the website blog.oureducation, and that is because blog.oureducation.in is one of the oldest websites. I saw it was about 11 years old, so it is one of the oldest and the most trusted websites that gives honest and unbiased reviews about any IAS coaching center across India. Not only that, they also give consolidated reviews from Facebook, Google, Just Dial, and Sulekha, and so on and so forth. So as you can see here, Vajiram and Ravi Civil Services IAS exam preparation academy has got an excellent overall rating of 9.4 by Our Education, and Our Education does a lot of research before giving their overall rating. So you can see the rating that Our Education has given this institute on different parameters. For example, their past year results, their infrastructure, their batch size, faculty quality, and their fees. Everything has got an amazing rating. The pros of this institute are that they have good infrastructure, they have good past year results, they have modern teaching techniques, and this is really important. Their past year results, the modern teaching techniques, these are really big pros, because if the academy has a good past year result and they display it on their website, that means the academy is very credible. Then they have a good study environment, and they have online test and test series provided. This is also very important. It is very important for you to have to write as many mock tests as you can before writing the main exam, so that you get the confidence of writing the IAS exam even before taking the actual exam. So you can also see here students have given good and bad reviews about this institute, and everything will be listed on this page. So one student has said that this institute, the material of the subjects are very good. They cover all the topics and they update the materials. Also, the current affairs were also comprehensive for preparation for prelims as well as the main exam. Then they want so that was that. And then one student has given a bad review about this academy, that this academy was the worst institute for geography class. So that is probably the faculty for geography is not up to the mark. And so both the good and bad reviews are there. Also, the batch size in this academy for some courses are really bad, up to 300 to 400 students in one batch. So that will make the class very crowded. That leads to the teacher not giving you enough attention in class and all of that. So yeah. Now the courses that they offer are IAS courses, UPS courses, and civil service courses. So this is their address. These are the contact details of this academy. Their address, their contact numbers, the exam IAS, their fee structure 1,60,000 for 9 months. Now this is not very affordable, because we saw many institutions that are much cheaper than this. However, this is not that expensive either. Then for optional subjects, you have to pay another rupees 50,000. Optional subjects like history or geography, like that. And for CSAT, you have to pay 19,000 rupees. Students in one batch is really high. This is very bad, actually. One of the highest that we have seen so far, 350 students in one batch. However, their past year results are amazing. So the rank number 1, 2, 3, all of them come from this institute. The top 10 ranks were from this institute. 8 toppers out of 10 were from this institute. So you can see the subjects that they offer. They offer 15 optional subjects, which also include public administration, geography, psychology, sociology. And they have very good Google, Just Dial, and Facebook ratings. So their Just Dial rating is 4.1 out of 5 stars, Google rating 4.1 out of 5 stars, and Facebook rating 4.6 out of 5 stars. And they have 945 Google reviews. So yeah. So So you can also see some of the frequently asked questions over here. For example, how is the batch size? So the batch size is 250 to 350, which is really bad. And how can you apply for admission to Bajiram and Ravi? So the process is very easy, very simple. You have to just visit the institution website for registration and fill up the administration form. That is all you have to do. So how is the study material? So the study material for Bajiram and Ravi is very famous, and it is even sold in the market. And the study material is updated and systematic and well designed. So yeah, I hope this was helpful to you all, and if it was, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to share this video with all of your friends who are also going to take up these exams in the future. Thank you so much for watching.